Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Redline Mods. So today I'm doing this video on installing the door courtesy lights because I was requested. Most of you guys were installing it, but not properly, I guess. Some of you guys did it, but here's how it's gonna be done. All right, so when you receive the kit, you're gonna need I already put the padding in the back, the 3M double-sided tape right here, that for each. I'll put it on there. And you're gonna have to put open this up and put 3 AA batteries, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 and that kind of a 12 AAA batteries. So that part, once it's ready, put the padding on behind it. I'm gonna use a blade to remove the this part, the red part off of it, so it's sticky. This works only at nighttime, so when you open the doors, and there's the sensors right there, and you will receive this reflective tape here. You remove one and you will place it literally like right over here somewhere. I will show you what to do first, because some people put on this first and then that last, but I'll tell you what the right way to do it. All right, so what you want to do is get in the car. You would do this on all 4 doors. I'm just showing you an example on one of the doors. So let's say you're sticking, okay, close the door first. And let's say you close this right here, right? And don't worry about it being light up right now. And let's say you want to put it down there, somewhere over here, wherever it's gonna go. You can put it like right there. So once you do it there, and you can already tell the sensors underneath there in the middle. So you see that the sensors right there. And so we're gonna put the tape over there in that area. So we'll take that out and we'll put the tape over here. All right, so I put the tape there already. I'm gonna close this up and see how it lights up right now. You wanna go down slowly when the light shuts off, just like that. I gotta get a better angle for you guys. So as you can see, you wanna make sure it's dark when you're doing this, so you can see when it lights up. So if you see, it doesn't light up here because it's still like, you see, you don't want to do that, all right? It's still on, but you want to make it dark. You want to do it in a dark environment. So we just, okay, it looks like it's good enough. See, you don't want to do that. So I think if you come a little bit higher like that, you should be good to go. Now that it's a little bit dark, you can see that. I have to make it dark over there, hold on. So the tape is on there right now. We want to make sure that it's dark on this side, because that's the only way you're going to find out if you're doing it right or not at the right spot. Like for instance, you see how it does that? You don't want to do that, so it's good. As you come up, that's too far, of course. You want to get down. And I would say it's good. I think it's a good spot right here, so it doesn't light up. You want it to, if it lights up, you want to come down lower. If you go all the way down, not good. So you want to keep it that little gap there, all right?